When can you smoke after wisdom teeth removal? After wisdom teeth removal, it is crucial to avoid smoking for at least 72 hours, though many dental professionals recommend waiting up to a week or longer to ensure optimal healing. Smoking can significantly impede the recovery process by introducing harmful chemicals that can cause irritation and infection in the surgical area. Moreover, the act of inhaling can dislodge the blood clot that forms in the socket, leading to a painful condition known as dry socket, which can delay healing and require additional treatment. The first few days post-surgery are critical for forming a stable blood clot and allowing the gum tissue to begin healing properly. Therefore, abstaining from smoking during this period helps prevent complications and promotes a smoother recovery. If you find it challenging to refrain from smoking, consider using nicotine patches or seeking support to manage cravings during the healing process. Always follow your dentist's specific instructions and consult them if you have any concerns or experience unusual symptoms during your recovery. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.